Ever seen those cool text animations where letters fade in with smoke or blur? In this video, you'll learn how to create that effect using just HTML and CSS, no JavaScript needed. Let's build a smooth blurred text reveal animation step by step. A big thank you to all my patrons out there. Your support truly keeps this channel alive and growing. If you'd like to join them and get exclusive access to all the source code for every project, you can become a patron for just $3 a month. Also, quick favor, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on YouTube, because right now, only 1.8% of viewers have subscribed. Every like, comment, and subscription helps me keep making more high-quality tutorials for you. Alright, now let's jump into the code and start building that cool text reveal animation with HTML code. So here, we have a simple but powerful HTML structure that sets the stage for our animated text effect. The main container is a div with the class text reveal, which wraps all the individual letters we want to animate. Each letter is placed inside its own span tag with the class letter. This lets us target each character separately using CSS, which is key for creating that staggered animation effect, where each letter appears one after another. Even the space between code and instinct is wrapped in its own span using non-breaking space, so it doesn't get ignored by the browser and can also be part of the animation flow. Basically, this structure gives us full control over each character, making it easy to apply smooth, eye-catching animations using just CSS code. Now that we've set up the structure with HTML, let's jump into the CSS to make those letters come to life with some smooth animations and effects. Let's start with the body styling. First, we set margin to 0 to remove any default spacing around the page so everything looks clean and full screen. Then, we give the background a nice vibrant color that hex code is basically a bold purple tone, which makes the white text pop nicely. To center our text both vertically and horizontally, we use display flex. Then justify content center and align items center these to work together like magic to perfectly center whatever is inside the body. We also set the height to 100 VH, so the body takes up the entire height of the browser window, making sure the centered text stays in view no matter what. And finally, we choose font family impact sans serif, which gives our text a strong, bold look that really fits with the animated reveal effect we're going for. The text reveal class is basically the container that holds all our individual letters. We start by setting display flex, which arranges all the letter spans neatly in a horizontal line instead of stacking them on top of each other. Then, we add a little breathing room between each letter by using gap 5 pixel. Meaning, there's a small 5 pixel space between every character, no need for extra margins or spacing in the HTML. The letter class is where we set up how each individual character looks before the animation starts. We begin by setting font size for rem, which makes the letters big and bold so they really stand out on screen. The color white makes them pop against the purple background we set earlier. Then we make the letters start off completely invisible by using opacity 0. To add that smoky, mysterious feel at the beginning, we apply filter blur 15 pixel, giving each letter a soft, blurred look. We also shift each letter slightly downward using transform translate Y 30 pixel, so they'll slide up smoothly into place during the animation. And finally, we hook everything up to the animation with animation reveal 1 south ease forwards, which tells the browser to play this reveal animation once. Use a smooth timing, and make sure the letters stay in their final position after the animation ends. Each letter gets its own animation delay so the letters don't all appear at once. By using nchild, we target each letter individually and set a different start time for their animation. The delays increase slowly, creating a smooth, cascading effect where each letter shows up one after another. This staggered timing makes the text reveal feel dynamic and polished. This is where we define how each letter animates from start to finish. At the very beginning, which is 0% of the animation timeline, we set opacity 0 so the letters start completely invisible. We also apply filter blur 15 pixel to make them look fuzzy or smoky, like they're fading in from mist. And with transform translate Y 30 pixel, we shift each letter down a bit so they look like they're rising up into place as the animation plays. All of these together create that smooth, dramatic effect where letters fade in, sharpen up, and slide into view. Now at the end of the animation, which is the 100% keyframe, we want each letter to be fully visible and in its final position. So we set opacity 1 to make the letter completely solid after starting invisible. We also remove the blur by using filter blur 0, so the text sharpens up nicely as it appears. And finally, we reset the position with transform translate Y0, bringing the letter back to its original spot on screen, like it's landed smoothly after floating up. These changes tell the browser how each letter should look when the animation finishes. And that's it. With just HTML and CSS, we created a smooth and stylish text animation where each letter fades in, sharpens up, and slides into place with a clean, professional look. And that's all for today's CSS animation tutorial. If you enjoyed this blurry text reveal effect and want to see more and other creative, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with anyone learning CSS, and hit that subscribe button if you want more beginner-friendly web design tips every week. See you in the next one.